Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Microsoft 365 Copilot Connection. My name is Nick Harris, and I am a Senior Copilot Cloud Solution Architect with Microsoft. Today, we have some awesome updates to share with all of you. Within our tech community blog, once a month we come out with the What's New with Microsoft 365 Copilot blog posts. And these are the main ways that I stay up to date with all of the public facing blog information and update information in conjunction with Copilot. So I'm going to show you how to navigate to that particular blog, and then we will navigate through all the latest updates rolling out for the licensed Copilot functionality as of March 2025. So as you see here, I am on techcommunity.microsoft.com. Now, the way to navigate via this site to the Microsoft 365 Copilot blog would be via the blogs option in the top navigation. So let's navigate to blogs. And this is where you can find the variety of Microsoft blogs that are available today. Now, as of our conversation, we're only focused on Microsoft 365 Copilot, so I'll navigate through the list on the right-hand side and find the Microsoft 365 Copilot blog. Now, as you see here, as of today, we have 138 blog articles on this particular blog. Let's open it up. And now we're on the latest blog for Copilot with all of the latest information that Microsoft shares out to the public. Within this particular area, I'm going to scroll down just a bit, and here is our What's New in Microsoft 365 Copilot for March of 2025. Now let's navigate through all of the awesome updates that we've announced to be either rolling out or already available for our customers. Now, general note when it comes to audience, these particular blogs do provide updates for both IT administrators who own the Microsoft 365 Copilot service within your organization, as well as end-user facing updates. Of course, if you are a business professional or some form of end-user leveraging Copilot, you would only be focused on the end-user facing updates and capabilities available. However, we will navigate through all of these particular updates. Sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the show. Now, starting off for general awareness, Microsoft does have many live conferences that we host throughout the year. On May 6th through the 8th in Las Vegas, we have our current Microsoft 365 Community Conference. I highly recommend, if you're interested in attending, please take a look at all of the variety of sessions that are available for this particular conference. There's more than just Copilot specific sessions that are available. There will be sessions on the wide variety of Microsoft 365 application experiences. Take a look. Now, navigating into the initial IT administrator updates that we are rolling out or working on as of March. For Microsoft Purview, admins can now leverage a new Copilot data source in the Microsoft Purview Data Explorer. This feature enables visibility into Copilot prompts or responses that contain sensitive information, improving oversight and data protection. With this enhancement, businesses can maintain security while still harnessing AI's powerful capabilities. Moving on, for smaller and medium-sized businesses, the new Microsoft 365 Copilot Business Case Builder is a game changer. It provides insights into how AI can boost productivity, enhance employee retention, and drive revenue. This tool is backed by Forrester's research, helping small businesses project their return on investment over a 3-year period, making it easier than ever to justify AI adoption. This is a core area I understand many businesses are interested today to understand the nuances and the value that AI and Copilot provide to their organization. So this is one of those key ways for small and medium-sized businesses to ideate and understand what that value may be. Moving on into our next update, the pay-as-you-go billing model will be available for Copilot chat agents. This particular billing model is now available for customers to leverage and set up against Copilot chat experiences. Particularly, this would relate to those users that do not have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Inherently, those users using Copilot Chat without a license can only talk to Copilot about its inherent trained knowledge, as well as knowledge that exists on the public-facing web. With this pay-as-you-go billing model system, you can then provide agents to your unlicensed users that they can then ground in enterprise data. As they leverage those agents and prompt with those agents, a billing event will occur that then would incur cost for any unlicensed users' usage. General note, if you do have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, that's the $30 a month license as of today, this form of functionality is already built into that license structure. Now, moving on into end user capabilities and updates. With the Microsoft 365 Copilot license, we are releasing in a public preview as of March, rolling out through the May timeframe currently, the ability to leverage Copilot in Microsoft Teams calls without directly having a transcript or recording in place. This would allow live Copilot based capabilities to be available so that way you can prompt during the live call. However, of course, since it is live Copilot usage, you would not be able to reference that call material after the call has finished. Now, one of the key updates that I actively have been using in my work, and I've seen my customers use as well, is Copilot pages. Copilot pages provide the ability to send a Copilot output over to a dynamic page for notes taking, sharing, and live collaboration with your colleagues. This is a great way to send and save that Copilot output for your requirements. Now, with the particular update here, we are further enhancing Copilot pages to allow for rich artifacts. In this case, as you see, they have taken a PowerShell script and then directly embedded that PowerShell code snippet into the live page for review and modification as the user requires. Let's see this feature live. Now, this capability should be available for any user that is licensed or not licensed. This is directly built in your Copilot chat experience. As you can see here, I've submitted my prompt. Write a PowerShell script to gather a list of all SharePoint Online site collections in Microsoft 365 and output those sites and their properties to an Excel file. I then can review the provided script that's within Copilot's output. I can see all the lines of code that was provided to me. Always general note, make sure you test your scripts in a test environment or against test sites prior to running them in case they do make any modifications or changes within your environment. You always have to test. And you see at the bottom here, edit in pages. I can click on the edit in pages option and it dynamically sends all of that rich output over to this Copilot integrated page that I can then take and leverage, save my content, share it with my colleagues, and leverage for my requirements. So some great updates there. If this update is not available to you, it should be available by around the end of April with the current update timeframe that we have in place. Another key update that we're building into the Microsoft Excel experience is the ability to leverage Copilot to perform web searches or web grounding directly in the Excel app experience. Let's see this one live as well. So as you see, now I'm in Copilot in Excel. I have the Copilot sidebar open on the right-hand side. I've submitted my prompt, search the web to identify, based on country, the current gross sales of electric bikes. I can then validate the output just like I would be in a normal Copilot chat experience. You can see the built-in citations that are pulling from web-based data sources, and I have an initial table of information that I can then lean on for any research-based purposes. This allows me to stay directly in the Excel app experience to do my research and then take that research and use it for my analytical needs within my Excel data. Another new update is now the ability to leverage agents directly in Microsoft Outlook. This particular experience is actively rolling out right now. It does indicate that it rolled out in March. However, just as a general update, on March 28th, we posted out that there was an update in the rollout timeframes. Right now, for targeted release users, this is going to roll out sometime in April, and it will be worldwide available in general availability around May. And the final update here is with Microsoft OneDrive. Now the ability to look at images in OneDrive and leverage Copilot's built-in vision capabilities to ideate and understand what is happening within that particular image. So as you see here, it looks like they have some form of drill bit, and we're asking what part is this and what's the issue with it. And Copilot gives us some form of explainability around what is happening in that direct image. Right now, the rollout time frame for this particular update, it began rolling out in late February, so you may already have this available to you, but it is expected to be fully rolled out and complete by mid-April. So that's all from me for today, everyone. Thank you all so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.